Always make those above you feel comfortably superior. To rise in power, do not outshine the master. History has shown that those who do fall. Nicolas Fouquet, a man of wealth and brilliance, sought to impress King Louis XIV. His mistake? A grand spectacle, dazzling beyond even the Sun King's own glory. Fouquet's brilliance cast too bright a light. The king, feeling overshadowed, found a reason to strike. By dawn, the celebration was forgotten, replaced by an arrest. Galileo, unlike Fouquet, understood power. He made his patron, Cosimo II de Medici, the center of the universe, not himself. In power, perception is reality. Never appear as a threat. Instead, let the master shine brighter through you. But beware, a falling star is an opportunity. When a ruler stumbles, there is no harm in shining. A weak master is a ladder to your own ascent. Key principle: make superiors feel superior. Avoid outshining them to maintain power. Historical example: Nicolas Fouquet aimed to impress Louis XIV. His extravagant display backfired. Outcome: Fouquet's brilliance led to his downfall. The king perceived him as a threat and responded with arrest. Contrast: Galileo tactfully positioned Cosimo II de Medici as central, understanding the dynamics of power. Insight: perception shapes reality. Appear supportive, enhancing the master's brilliance. Caution: a weak ruler creates opportunities. When they falter, it's strategic to rise without overt threat.